Close your eyes for a moment. Now imagine stepping outside into the morning light, not to eat, not to drink, but simply to absorb. Your skin tingles, your cells awaken, and with every golden ray, your body charges like a living solar panel. What if that was how we lived? Plants have mastered it for billions of years, transforming sunlight into life. But what if we borrowed that gift? What if humans could photosynthesize? Picture a life where food becomes optional. No more rushing for breakfast, no more hunger pangs. Just sunlight, a few hours beneath the rays, and your energy needs are met. Simple, clean, limitless. In this world, your skin becomes sacred. No longer just a barrier, but a power source. A living interface between human biology and solar physics. But here's the twist. Sunlight isn't infinite, at least not for your body. Even under perfect conditions, the average human would absorb only a fraction of their daily needs. To survive off the sun alone, you'd need to lie still, under direct light, for hours upon hours. Think desert stillness. Think total exposure. Think vulnerability. Every second in the shade is energy lost. Every cloud overhead a threat to survival. Maybe we'd adapt. Wider bodies, flatter skin, massive arms like panels, evolution pushing us toward the shape of leaves. Function over form. Biology redesigned for solar gain. And what would we wear? Clothing would disappear, replaced by solar wraps or reflective bands. Fashion becomes function. Exposure becomes essential. Cities would follow suit. Skyscrapers rotating like sunflowers, roads built from glass, buildings coated in reflective panels. Urban life re-engineered to chase the light. Indoors would be for emergencies only. Workplaces move underground or exist in open-air sun chambers. Sunlight isn't luxury, it's fuel. Shade? It's starva. Daily life aligns with the sun's rhythm. Sunrise is breakfast. Noon is feast. Sunset, a gentle warning. Eat now or go to sleep hungry.
Agriculture?
Obsolete. Restaurants? Relics. Grocery stores? Ghost towns. Why grow food when you can grow yourself? Farms become fields of humans, standing silently in rows, arms raised like petals, harvesting light from the sky. But not all places are blessed by sun. In the far north, where darkness lasts months, life becomes brutal. Portable sun lamps, reflective bodysuits, and artificial UV become survival tools. Entire populations migrate south, drawn not by politics, but by photosynthetic instinct. The equator becomes crowded, the poles abandoned. Tanning salons become life-saving centers.
Hospitals powered by halogen bulbs.
Light becomes medicine, nutrition, hope. At night, your body powers down. You rely on what you've stored just like a tree in winter. Those who failed to bask grow weak. Sleep becomes more than rest. It's energy conservation. And over generations, our skin changes. Pale and tan are gone. Now it's emerald, copper, bronze, optimized for light absorption. Skin becomes your most vital organ, your most beautiful asset. Diseases evolve too, not from bacteria, but from shadows. Sunburn becomes fatal. A cloudy week could lead to mass starvation. Light is no longer optional, it's survival. In this strange future, we blur the line between plant and person. Half human, half leaf, rooted not to the ground, but to the sky above. And maybe, just maybe, that brings us closer to nature. Not separate from it, but part of it. So the next time you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, ask yourself, what if it wasn't just warming you, but feeding you? Enjoyed this sun-powered dive into the bizarre? Then give us a like, hit that glowing subscribe button, and drop your wildest what if in the comments. Here at MindMorph, we don't just ask questions. We imagine entire realities.